right, you guys, so you guys make sure, man, when y'all are installing any kind of rock lights or any kind of LED lights, that you have enough cord to fit where exactly you're trying to put the lights. I've seen a lot of people that they jump into the installs and then they don't have enough cord and then they're stuck. They can't install them. They got to order new cords. So the way that we're going to do this, we're going to put 2 rock lights inside the front fender well. Then we're going to put 2 more back here in the back. That's not the way I wanted to run it, but we can always attach more lights. That's the good thing about MIG tuning, is that you're able to connect as many lights as you want. Although I think you can only have 12 rock lights on one row with the Y1 junction box and stuff like that. So you guys make sure that when you're lining it up, make sure that you put the right cable. Go ahead and connect them if you got to, like I do. I connect them, make sure that they're all facing the right way, they all plug into each other. Otherwise, if you do them backwards, well, you're gonna have to redo the process over again, and that could be time consuming. Now, the new ones are the ones that are gonna be right here. So this one and that one. So what you're gonna have to do is, what's cool about it is they got some adhesive tape that you bonds to the back of it, and I had a really hard time trying to do without that adhesive, but just to make life easier, I went ahead and put it on there. Shouldn't be a problem. I don't mind that white showing too much, but we'll figure out something about that. So I already had a hole drilled out right here, because you got 2 holes that you're gonna have to drill out inside your plastic or inside your fender if you don't have these Husky liners. So I got 1 hole right here, pre-existing hole. I had to drill another hole right here to run that wire through, so that way it comes along the back side of it and it connects into this other rock light right here, the other extension. And then I had a pre-existing hole already from this rock light. So what I did was I used that adhesive tape, bonded it on there, stuck it on there, so that way it's not falling around on me and I know that I'm center. Then I went back in and I went ahead and drilled holes. 1 hole here, 1 hole in the back, another one on this side, another one in the back for the mounting screws. And this is what we got right here. So we got them in right here. So all in all, it wasn't too bad. If you guys don't have this Husky liner, it's going to be pretty hard for you guys to try to hold it in there or, you know, self-tap it. But so that's where we're at right now. So we're going to repeat the process. I'm going to go along the driver's side or the passenger side right here, finish connecting up these lines, and then I'll jump on the other side.